Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says Settings. On the left side, select Default Browser, and then select Make Default over here on the right. It'll launch your computer's settings here, and you will select where it says the Set Default button, and that'll set it as your default on your device for your main browser. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.